try to make us look good. If you want to make us look good, then feel free. But you don't have to be super fancy or anything like that. Just be honest, because people will feel it. You know.
All right.
Cool. So let me go to full screen. All right, everybody. So I have the man Caesar on here.
What up,
He
guys?
what's up, man? He was on VTN a while back, and then he took a break, and then came back and just dominated. So, I mean, what's your thoughts so far, Caesar? On, or actually, no. Start off with like telling them, like how old you are and where you're located.
Well, I'm 24 and I live in Tempe, Arizona.
Okay, cool. So tell everybody, the biggest difference between like the old trainings and then like the Forex Fortune Factory, because I feel like that's what everyone wants to know.
I guess with the old trainings, it was a lot to know. I guess a lot of indicators to know and to understand. But with this training, it made it real simple.
Hmm.
It's basically like I guess you see patterns, and now it's like easy to see them.
Right.
But before it was like harder to see them.
Okay. Cool. So, I mean, do you want to tell everybody about, like the day that you had the other day and in the markets, election day?
Man, on election day, well, starting that day, I closed up. I think I held a trade for about a week. It was about $2,000,
Hmm.
and then with that, later in the night, I made about $9,300. So it's a pretty good day. Still, like I'm in shock. Still, I haven't told my parents. I haven't really told anybody yet. So it's gonna be interesting to see what they say.
So total is around like 11, 10, 11.
Yeah, around there.
Okay. Cool, man. Congrats on that. So I mean, what would you say? Uh, like the simplicity of like the courses. Like I know you said it's simpler than the old courses, but like if you were brand new to trading, you never traded before, it is for like brand new beginners.
I mean, I watched the videos maybe just twice,
Hmm.
and that's all I needed basically. Because like after you watch them, you just start seeing patterns just right away. It's that simple. I really don't know how else to explain it because it's that simple. You you stick to the plan. You don't over leverage. You just stick to the plan, and you should be good.
Okay. Cool, man. And what do you feel about like our team support, like me and Cottrell, making sure that we're answering questions and stuff. But what do you feel about like the overall team and just the community that we've built so far?
Yeah, I like the team. Like if you have questions, you just you post in the chat, and maybe like within questions, they'll just like message me or somebody else, and we'll just give them our opinions on how a pair might go and stuff like that.
Hmm.
So it's pretty good.
Okay. And I guess last question, what would you say to all the people that are on the fence about this? Because there's a lot of people trying to like throw rocks at what we're doing here, and what would you say to those people
I mean,
that?
the way I see it, it's like school. You invest so much money in school, and you don't see a return until you're over.
Hmm.
Like you're done with school, it's like 4 or 5 years later. But with this, it's like you probably see a return within a month or within 2 months.
Hmm.
I mean, for me, it was like almost like 2 months or less than that.
Hmm.
So I mean, just go for it. It's like it's not that expensive. Like once you start making money, you're gonna be like, man, I'm so happy I bought this course.
And actually, let me ask you one thing. What do you feel about like we talked about like the simplicity, but you know the pattern that you keep saying, is it something that you feel is easy to see, like where you can see it time and time again, and that feels like kind of like sometimes.
Um, I think how to explain this. I guess you do see it sometimes, not all the time.
Mm-hmm.
Like sometimes it's a lot more clear to see the pattern.
Mm-hmm.
Other times it might take you a couple hours for you to, I guess, to see the pattern until the charts move the way you want them to move.
Uh-huh.
So I don't know, man. It's hard to explain. It's just that easy for me now. It's crazy.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I mean, I definitely appreciate you hopping on here, man. Even though we had some technical difficulties,
Yeah.
that was lame. But I mean, definitely appreciate you hopping on here and telling everybody about what you were able to do and just the movement and everything, and keep killing it. I mean, the market's about to slow down, but keep killing it.
Yeah, I haven't traded since election day. I probably won't trade till next year, so I'm
Good.
happier about it though.
Yeah, chill. Take a withdrawal. Get you something nice.
Yeah.
Make sure your parents have a good Christmas and everything. Family.
Oh yeah, man.
All right, brother. I'll talk to you soon then. Thank you.
I run the problem.
All right. Peace.
All right.